Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Arginine supplements. First, let's understand why people use this amino acid. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, which plays a key role in blood vessel dilation. We will cover the various forms, typical dosages, and the best times to take it for maximum effectiveness. Also, we'll discuss important tips and who might benefit most from adding Arginine to their routine. When considering dosage, a common range for adults is typically between 2 and 9 grams per day. It's often recommended to divide larger daily amounts into 2 or 3 smaller servings to optimize absorption and minimize potential side effects. Many individuals choose to take Arginine about 30 minutes before exercise to support blood flow, while others find it beneficial to take it with meals or on an empty stomach, depending on personal tolerance. Arginine supplements come in several forms, including convenient capsules, versatile powders, and even liquid options. Powdered forms are often preferred for their flexibility, allowing you to easily adjust your dose and mix it into beverages. If you experience any stomach discomfort, try taking your Arginine with a meal. Always remember, it is wise to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen to ensure it is right for you. The benefits of Arginine are quite diverse. Primarily, it's known for its role in producing nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. This can translate to enhanced exercise performance and quicker recovery times for active individuals. Furthermore, Arginine is sometimes utilized to support overall cardiovascular health and has been recognized for its potential contributions to immune system function and the body's natural wound healing processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.